welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, please hit that subscribe button below. But today I'm going to be showing you how I make my wholesale lip gloss labels. These are the vinyl ones, and these ones are the flavor ones I made for the customer. They look like this. I'm showing you in the next clip. Not them exact ones I make, but that's what they look like. They go right on the end of the lip gloss. So guys, this is the flavor I'm going to make. I have like 7 other flavors or 6 other flavors or something, but pretty much the girl wanted me to make her these for the end of her lip glosses. You do the same thing for like the flavored ones like I showed in the last video, like the strawberry ones. You just do a strawberry instead of text. After I uploaded these into the design space, I copied and pasted how many she needed. And I did just 10 of each one. She wanted some for like a bigger, thicker tube, and then she wanted some for a longer, smaller tube. So like that's why they're different sizes. But you can barely read them because my phone is not showing it up. But yeah, so right now I have these sticker sheets. I got them off Amazon. You can see right there, the sticker. So what I do is I just put this in my printer. I'm gonna do it face down. Just put it in there. And then I'm going to send the printer. I'm gonna add the bleed. That just like the image of it, it makes it bleed in the outside. So when it does cut it, it's not cutting into the image, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm going to print that. Show you where the circles are. Anyway, so that's what it looks like when it's done. It looks super cute. She just wanted them simple and bold. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them onto my Cricut sheet. And this square is what shows like the Cricut, like where the image is. So the reason why I have the flash on right now is because I'll show you in a second, but right now I'm gonna sticker paper. And then, so I have my flash on, so when like this is looking, since it's so white, I'm gonna be putting the flash on the images or on the circles, so then this can really see them, because sometimes it is a machine, it does mess up. So like my flashlight will help it see the circles better than the little light I already have. And guys, if you guys have a Cricut and you're watching this, can you please tell me how you clean your mattes? I've heard so many different ways too, and I'm like scared to do it because like it's gonna lose the stickiness. So now it's gonna start cutting. Hopefully it cuts good. And see if they turn out better. I mean, they're not really that off, it's just not as perfect as I want them. So yeah, but that's how you do those. And then after I do these, I will show you how they look. Hopefully they are more even. But and then I'm gonna start doing her vinyl logos. So guys, I did redo those smaller ones because I don't know, the Cricut kind of made them off last time, and they look so much better. I am so happy with these ones. The other ones were a little off. It was probably because I did the big ones with the small ones. I don't know why it threw it off, but it did. See, those are the old ones, and you can tell like the D is like almost cut off compared to these ones. Like it looks so much better. The pink diamond ones were already kind of weird to do since the bottom where it was so long. But yeah guys, that is how these turned out. And right now I am packaging them. I'm putting them in my cute little things. I actually ordered these and they were too small. So if you guys are actually interested, I might sell them. I have so many little girls on here. I probably have like 100. But yeah, they're just too small for my eyelashes and my lip gloss, so these kind of work out for these. Are like little lip scrubs. But yeah, so I'm gonna package these and then I'm gonna start on the vinyl. So this is how I package the lip gloss label, like flavor labels, and they look so cute. So now I'm going to start on the vinyl label. She wanted a rose gold. It is like weird looking right now because I have the plastic still on it. What I'm gonna do before I'm gonna lift off this little protector here, so I don't get scratched, which makes it look so much better. Yes, pretty much I'm just gonna lay it on there onto this sheet upside down. And then I'm gonna put it in my Cricut machine. Push it in. And then this is what it looks like. That's how it's going to cut. Which she has some smaller ones for her skinnier tubes and then for the other ones. So I already have it set to premium vinyl. And then I'm just gonna hit my little Cricut. Make sure it is down, and then I'm gonna let it do its thing. This is probably gonna take at least probably about 5 to 10 minutes. But I did try one out to take a picture for the lady. Oh, that's my label, but she wanted to see what it looked like. It is super cute. I'm gonna take a picture at the end and show you what it really looks like in the lighting and all that, because this is definitely not doing it justice, but it is super cute. I love it. So if you guys need any labels, hit me up or just watch my videos. And yeah, I pretty much show how I do these. It's really simple. I'll probably link in the description box or put the video at the end of this of the video I did do to make labels with your Cricut machine. So yeah guys, I'll get back to you once these are done cutting. Well, you can already see it here. Super cute. Journey is right now, like always. But yeah, so this is how I'm packaging them. I am gonna make them look real cute. I'll put a picture at the end. This is what they look like. Oh, I got some stuff on it. This is what they look like on a lip gloss bottle. This is not hers, but this is mine, just to show her what it looked like on. Definitely, like, it is not doing justice. The videos and pictures are not doing justice. They look so cute in person. Yeah, these are super cute, guys, and I will show you how I package them at the end, how I put it away. But I am in love with these. They are super cute. I think I might start doing this. A few of my lip glosses, I do like this on there, but these are my first time ever doing them, so I might just reprint a few and see how they turn out. So guys, right here I'm going to show you how I weed out all of these. I did most of them. I just have to go in and get like the, in the little letters where there's still vinyl, and take that stuff out. But after that, I will start packaging them, which I have to still put transfer tape on them, so when the customer does get them, they can just cut off a label, rub the label, and then rub it onto their lip gloss. If you guys want a video showing how to do that, which I believe I might have a video already, I will link it in the description box on how to use transfer tape to transfer it to your lip gloss. I will link that below. But yeah guys, so right now I'm just going to weed these, and yeah. waste so much transfer tape. Let me clean up my area. Anyway, so let's do these big ones first. So I'm gonna do, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, where it is. Do you guys do any vinyl labels? If you guys do any vinyl labels, how do you put the transfer tape on? Like, I need some suggestions because it's nice to have more than one way. So this is my transfer tape. I just ordered it on Amazon, so I've never used this, but I've heard a lot of good things about it, and I get a whole bunch of it. So I'm just gonna do, I don't know what we're gonna do here, guys. Let's just try something. Let's just stick it on there, right? And then we'll just cut it off later. I don't know. Is this a dumb way to do it, you think? This is such a big roll, I don't really know how to work with it. Okay. Okay, looking good, looking good. And I also never see people like show how to do vinyl labels. I see one person do it, but they didn't really go in detail. So that's why I kind of put a video up, because I want to know how to. Because I had the machine to do it, and I always see people doing it, but never knew how. But yeah, guys, this turns out good. I'm gonna do the rest like this, and weed out the other labels. I did make the girls since the measurements were off, but yeah, those look good like this. So guys, I am done. I got them all cut. I got them covered with transfer tape. It looks good. I am so happy with how these turned out. If you guys want to know the transfer tape I do use, I will link it in the description box. I believe I got it off Amazon for like 15 bucks, but the roll is huge and I haven't even made a dent into it. But right now I am putting these into little holographic bags. I did do them in different sizes, so yeah, pretty much right now I'm just getting it ready for shipment. So guys, now I am just putting them into my padded envelopes. I will link my padded envelope link in the description box below. So right now I'm just getting it ready and I'm going to put my label on it later. And yeah, that's how I do my wholesale labels. They turned out really good. If you need labels, hit me up. And yeah, if you guys want a video on me showing how I ship them with PayPal, comment below. I will make a video about that. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Give me a fat thumbs up. And thanks for watching.